Hey, what up y'all? Breaking in for this special episode of the No-Handed Bandit. So a while ago I got these shoes, they're called Kiziks. I did a box opening on my channel. That video did well. Brought a few viewers in and a few subscribers. I wanted to follow up because I got some new shoes and they're called the Zebas. Zebas is probably about, for most of their shoes, $10 more than the Kiziks. That's putting them at $129. So we're gonna open up the Zebas in a second. I did want to tell the viewers my opinion on the Kiziks. Now the Kiziks, I love these shoes. I love just putting my feet in them and it just working out right. I did change out the insoles. The insoles are more of dress insoles, so if you walk a lot on them, and I was walking a lot on them on this day to play Pokemon, it was getting painful. Also, I pulled this to try to pull my shoe on and it kind of ripped, so I don't know if they can make that more stronger. Other than that, well, one other thing, so the shoes have worn down right on this corner, and that's probably more due to the way I walk or whatever. But overall, I like these shoes. Kiziks are nice. It did last 1 year, and it's still in good shape. Probably can do some more stuff in them. But let's open these Zebas. Zebas are cool. I mean, all these shoes are cool, but for how much they cost, $100 to $119, it's pretty expensive. So, as you can see, the packaging is pretty nice that they send it in, but again, that seemed to be a common theme with the Kiziks and these. These two are competing companies. When I'm on YouTube, I see the ads for Kiziks and then I see the ads for Zebas. My friend Ray bought me those Kiziks, and I appreciate that very much, Ray. But these I had to pay for myself, so I'm hoping that they last a long time. Ugh. Alright. Black box. Zeba. I like black. Sign on there. Zeba. Almost looks like EA Sports in the game.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
Open sesame. Is the box glued shut? It is, maybe. Well, whatever. Wow, it comes with some socks. Comes with some toilet paper. No, just kidding. Some tissue. And there they are. They're supposed to be, well, these ones that I ordered, they're called the Black Midnight or something like that. And it comes with an extra pair of laces. And they're pretty hefty little buggers. Well, so some of them Zebas claims that you can run in these shoes, and I don't know if I bought the wrong model because these don't look like running shoes. They're kind of heavy. So I'm gonna put them on and I'm going to go outside and play some basketball. And it won't give me a full idea on how these are, but it will give me some idea. And they're really nice shoes, really. They better be for $130. I think that's more than Air Jordans. So we'll put them on and then we'll go outside and do some hoop-de-hoop. So the cool part about these shoes, as I said before, is you shouldn't have to lace them. And that was easy. I got them in really easy. The tongue moved a little bit, but I think that if I tighten those laces really nice, then it won't move the tongue. So I'm gonna hold on to the tongue this time, and yeah, it slips right in. Pretty nice. Let's go outside in the 98-degree weather. Played a little bit in the shoes, and oh, these are comfortable. Also noticed that this back heel looks like it's made like super tough, and then just like the Kiziks, the collapsing of the very back helps you to step into it. Anyways, I enjoyed those shoes. Those are very comfortable. If you get a chance, and if you have the money, I would get them. Especially if you don't have hands. These are really nice tennis shoes, and very convenient. I know from the Kiziks that it's good when you're on the go and you run out the door and you can just step into your shoes and not worry about tying your shoes. Anyways, you may have noticed we've been doing something different on the show. Me and my brother have been doing a lot of talking, and again, I feel like the key to the whole thing, or my stumbling block, was the mental one. Once I conquered the mental one of being amputated, then I was able to do anything. And I think that if you conquer that mental one, you have that critical thinking that can help you figure out how to do anything, and you don't need me to explain how to do every little thing. Also, other resources are becoming available. Enhancing Skills for Life is an organization that puts on a monthly tutorial, and if you need more help, you can get in contact with them. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and if you get a chance, yeah, get some of these. Thank you. Peace.